Imagine an AI that plans your meals, calculates nutrition, and generates recipes in seconds. These 5 tools are revolutionizing how creators and small businesses handle healthy cooking content. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude now create personalized recipes based on dietary restrictions, ingredients you have, and nutritional goals. They're perfect for content creators building recipe libraries or freelancers offering meal planning services. You get instant, customizable recipes with macro breakdowns, no manual research needed. Platforms like Nutritionix and USDA API integrations automatically analyze meal nutritional content. Upload an image or ingredient list, and AI calculates calories, proteins, and vitamins instantly. Ideal for fitness. Tools like Midjourney and Canva's AI generate stunning food photography and meal prep visuals. Create professional-grade content in minutes, perfect for social media, blogs, or cookbooks. Freelancers can deliver premium visual content faster and cheaper than traditional photography. AI-enabled appliances and apps like Pantry AI track ingredients, suggest recipes based on what you have, and prevent food waste. Small businesses use these to optimize kitchen operations and sustainability. Real-time inventory means better pricing, less spoilage, and smarter purchasing decisions. Ready to transform your healthy cooking workflow? Subscribe for more AI tool reviews and comment which tool you'll try first.